is back.
Yorker knocks him over. Mohammad Imran gets the better of Zikriya Islam.
What a wicket here. Adding to that of the Al Shabab Giants. Otherwise, they're just going to run away with this game. Mohammad Imran has been in the thick of things for the IAS Invincibles.
Let that one go well alone to the wicketkeeper Zikriya Islam.
Look at that, 15 wickets in 10 games, and that average is what really makes Imran Mohammad impressive. Economy 8.67. He's kept it tight as much as possible, and it's always a delight to see Mohammad Imran making the wickets do cartwheels.
Tom straight down the ground. He hasn't timed that one well, and the catch has been dropped. Father, how costly would that mace be?
Absolutely costly. Now Mohammad Imran has been the pick of the bowlers for the IAS Invincibles. However, that fielding side, that fielding form of the team as a whole has not been up to the mark.
Not the first time in this tournament a catch has been dropped of his bowling. He's got 15 wickets already, but I tell you what, on more than a couple of occasions, he's got a wicket of no ball and even on the free hits. So that tally could have gone easily up to 20 had he been more disciplined in terms of not bowling no balls.
4 balls to come. Thank you. Coming? Yeah. Thank you.
Full toss, picked up on the onside, will find the fielder at backward square leg for a single.
Probably realizing that the Al Shabab Giants, especially the left-handers, they really love that deep square leg region, and they've done well by keeping a fielder over there. At the same time, they should also be looking at somebody down the line, down the field. And yes, of course, for the right-hander, you do have a long on in place. However, for the right-hander, one change. Third man is up, third man is back.
Yorker knocks him over. Mohammad Imran gets the better of Zikriya Islam.
What a wicket here. Adding to that tally, certainly a very important cog in the wheel as far as the IAS Invincibles are considered. Look at that. Ball moving away from the right-hander, and Zikriya Islam does not provide any sort of footwork, neither adjusts for the swing away. As a result, Mohammad Imran gets
Game in a hurry. Drills on the offside, in the gap. Ball races across the fence. A boundary to start for Gagan Sodhi.
Unusually early this evening for the Al Shabab Giants. Gagan Sodhi gets that right in the middle of the bat, and he's literally played with the field here. Have a look at that. Checks his shot at the last moment, and in between the two fielders, Asif Al Balushi as well as Savindu. He'll get a boundary to get off the mark.
The plan right now from Al Shabab Giants would be to finish the match as early as possible. They still have another game lined up. Once again, wet outside off, once again drilled. This time we'll find the fielder. Single concludes the over. At the end of 2, it's 27 for 2.